How to recover MetaMask account secret recovery phrase and the private key restore MetaMask wallet. For this, I will take you to the official website of MetaMask in front of you. In the support website, as you can read this article, how to restore your MetaMask wallet from secret recovery phrase. For this, what you have to do is simply install an extension on your device, that is, import an extension on your mobile device, just like this. As you can see here, you follow up the prompts, enter your secret recovery phrase, enter each word in a separate box, making sure you type each word lowercase and without any spaces. After doing this, you simply have to click on confirm secret recovery phrase option available on your MetaMask website. Now we will talk about the mobile steps. How can you do it on your phone? When you go on the wallet, click on import using secret recovery phrase on the login page of MetaMask. Then enter your secret recovery phrase and get your account back on your device. This is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel for watching more videos like this.